Good morning, guys. I'm so sorry about the technical difficulties we had today, but this is the rest of the assignments or um, a 5 minute explanation of all the assignments that need to be done for the day. You are going to go into your Google Classroom. You're going to go to classwork. The first thing you need to complete is your check in, your what's up today. We do this every day as a form of attendance, as well as seeing how you guys are doing and how we can continue to improve the classroom. You will do CNN student news. You will watch 10 minutes of CNN student news right here. That actual tab will take you directly to the link for today. You will go in here. It says August 18th. You will play the video. If you were not here yesterday, you can always go back to August 17th and play that video. That is important because you need to do the graphic organizer, which you will turn in on Friday because it takes a whole week to fill up this page of information. In the four corners of the page, you will see national news story, feel good news, international news, and STEAM. National news is anything within the United States, whereas international news is everything outside of the United States. For example, Canada, Mexico, and any other country around the world. Feel good news is something that inspires you or motivates you, or you think it's a pretty cool story. For example, we learned about the oldest panda today. That is a story that can go here. STEAM stands for science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. Any story um, that you come across throughout the week, you can put it in here, and it is three sentences. The last three things I've spoken about, or the four corners, are always three sentences. At the very top, you have list five places. I get you started with three. You still have to add two more over here. Where in the world you are to add cities and or countries. For example, you can say Los Angeles, but you cannot say California in this list because California is a state and not a country. You could say the United States because it is a country. Health and well being, you need two sentences. This is anything that has to do with health. And since the hot topic has been coronavirus, anytime they talk about the coronavirus, you can put two sentences explaining that story here. Notable people are famous people from that pretty much anyone on the street would know. So Donald Trump, Joe Biden, Kamala Harris, Brad Pitt, LeBron James, I don't know, Sheryl Crow. Um, if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to call me about that. You have your real talk today. Yesterday you did your value, which is 08-2020, and today is the process. I do need to correct that because I left out an S. Teachers are not perfect either, you know. So it says, unfortunately, we won't be able to be put into our breakout rooms and have a partner. But what you will do is you're going to watch this video, which is also on YouTube. You just have to click it. It's about 4 minutes long. After you watch this movie, or not movie, but this video in its entirety, you will go back and you will review the Google document that says Eric Thompson talks about the process. School is a process. It's a 9 to 10 month process to get you from one level to the next. After watching the video, write down 5 things you need to do to make your process successful this school year. You will turn that in when you're done. As you can see, one of your classmates already has. Industrial design. Yesterday, we took a little college and career trip to Nepris and we watched industrial design. If you missed that, you are more than welcome to go back and watch it here. Design process, creating a skateboard. Today, what we are going to do with the information that we learned from yesterday, we have a prompt here. It says the NBA and WNBA has taken a strong stance on current political unrest. They now they have asked you to design a shoe that each basketball player will wear to show their unity for the cause, and they want your industrial design skills to be put to work. Using the Nike website, make a shoe that will embrace the NBA and WNBA stance. You will click here to make a PowerPoint, and here is the link that you need. And don't forget about Freckle. Thanks.